discuss again next part of this chapter, exercise 4.2. Yesterday discussed till here. I told you example number 6, example number 5, 4, all these. Exercise also related to it. You have to find out roots of the quadratic equation by using which method? Splitting the middle term, or you can say factorization method. So first question, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So by factorization you have to tell. So first part given. So much easy part is this, if you can understand. Already I told you 2 steps you need, and if both steps are right, then no problem in the factorization, or you can say splitting in the middle term. So like this given x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So I can make like this x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. So one time we can check what we can check. Step number 1 right, step number 2 right. If both step right, then no problem. If any step is wrong, so this factorization, this splitting of the middle term is wrong. So one time what's the sum of these? Equal to this minus 5x and plus 2x. How much total? Minus 3x, which is given here. Yes or no? And then what's given? Then what's their product? Their product is minus 5x into 2x is what? 5 2s are 10. Minus sign and x here. So what's their sum? Their multiplication. That's also same. It's meaning we are right. We are right. What? We are right. So we can easily solve it. Now you can take common, which is given here. What's common? X is common here. So x minus 5 plus 2 is common. X minus 5 is equal to 0. What's common? X minus 5 is common. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what's x minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to what? 5 and x equal to minus 2. So what are the roots? 5 and minus 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Whose? This quadratic equation. Which equation? This. Similarly, what's given? Second part given. Second part we can solve here also. No problem about this. What is that? 2x square, 2x square, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So make factor 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. One time check their sum. Their sum also equal. Their sum also equal. 4x or plus 3x or minus 1x left. Their multiplication minus 12x square. And their product also minus 12x square. It's meaning what? We are right. So what's common? 2x is common. So what's x plus 2? Minus 3 is taken common. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what's common? X plus 2 is common. And here is what's coming? 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So put x plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So what's your x? X equal to minus 2 and 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So what you can say, minus 2 and 3 by 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. These are so much easy. These are so much easy, able to show. I'm telling one by one. So next part of it meaning third part. What? Third part. What's its statement? First we solved, second told, now this is third one. Under root 2x square plus 7 under root, this is your third part. What's part? Third part. Under root 2x square plus what's given? 7x 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Check one time, we are right or not. So we are right, if you can check. So find out its, what we need. So we can make it under root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Got this? What's their sum? Equal to this. What's their product? 10x square. What's their product? 5 and 2, 5 to the 10x square. It's mean we are right. What's the common? What's common here? Nothing common. So what you can write? X is common here. So under root 2x plus 5. And what's common here? Plus under root 2. Or we can show like this also. How can we solve? This is under root 2 we have taken common. Or we can write like this. If don't understanding on simple way. So this we can arrange like this. Under root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 under root 2 equal to 0. So what's common? Under root 2x is common. So what's left? X plus under root 2 left plus 5 taken common. X plus root 2 is common is equal to 0. So what's common? This is common. And here plus what? Under root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Then what we can put? X plus root 2 equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus root 2. And under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Under root 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by under root 2. So what's are the roots? Minus 2 and minus 5 by under root 2. X are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Got it? So much simple. Where? Anywhere you can understand. So much simple. Understood? It's given in under root, no problem. In what type it's given? Now fourth part. What's part? Fourth part. So this is given 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. What's given? 2x square 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. This given. What's given? This given. Look one time this. This we have shown. So now here, so we can show it. So what's coming? So this 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. So in this type of question, first take LCM. 8 is your LCM. 8 to the 16. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. This transfer here become this 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Make factor. Make factor. What's 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Check both steps are right or not. What's there? Some minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal to minus 8x. Minus 8x is your L. And what's their product? 16x square. And what's their product? 16x square. So what's common? 4x you can take common. So 4x minus 1. Here minus 1 taken common. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? So what's common now? This is common. What's common? 4x minus 1 is common. So how much left? 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So put this equal to 0 or this same. So it's meaning 4x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 4. So its roots are what? 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Easy or not? So much easy. If you can understand. Now it's which part? Last part. Which part? Last part of it. So what's given? This given 100x square minus 20x plus 1. 100x square minus 20x plus 1. So we can write, what we can write? From here we can write 100 x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Check one time. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So make its factor. What's its factor? This 100, look one time, x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. What's common? 10x is common. So 10x minus 1 taken common, 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So what's common? 10x minus 1 is common. So what's left? 10x minus 1 left. So its root, put this equal to 0. So what's your 10x is equal to 1. What's your x? 1 by 10. So what's are its roots? 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. In this way you can find out, I think no problem, easy method if you able to understand two steps. One steps, first steps, sum of that which middle term, which splitting is equal to that middle term, and product is what? The first term and the last term of the quadratic equation. Easily able to solve. Now this question number 2, which is given in your book, exercise 4.2. Solve the problem given in example number 1. What's your example number 1? So example number 1 problem already solved. I told you this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 is this, this is. So this is meaning, it's meaning you have to solve these problem one by one. What's problem? These problem one by one you have to solve. This is represent to, this is one first. This is given. You have to solve these all parts. This is exercise, I think. This is exercise. What's example number 1? We can check 2, and this is the example number 1. So this is the example number 1. A cottage industry, second part, and this is its first part. Represent the following situation mathematically. John and Jivant together. So already told these both. Understood? This is the solution of it. This is the solution of it. Here given this. This is given in mathematically form. What's given? Mathematically form given. We have to, what we have to find out? Their factor we have to find out. What's we have to find out? Factor. So first is what? X square minus 45x plus 324. So we can find it here. So adding one more page and directly finding here. What is this? X square minus 45x. X square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. You have to split what's middle term, you have to split here. What term? Middle term. This is the first question, first part of exercise 4.2. So check one time. 45 the 200, 39 6 the 39 6 the. So what's coming? 3 9s are 54, 18 plus 324. So what's we can take? 46. What we can take? 47, 50. 50 we have taken 50, multiply by 5. 225. 51 6 the. So what's given? We have to make factor like this. So this work is given to you. How can make it split? If not able to solve, then I can tell. So in this way, split the middle term, find out the value of x, and that's your answer. So in this same way, you can solve second part also. If not able to solve, then I can tell you. So now second question of this exercise, first and second part you can try. If facing problem, then I can tell. Sure. Example number 6. This is first part. I told you. This already told you. So first part it's what? This x square minus 45x plus 324. Second part also I can write later on. You have to solve both. You have to find out if any problem. Then I can tell you. Splitting the middle term. So coming here coming. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find two number whose sum is 27. You have to find out two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So in this type of question, first, in the starting part of this chapter, we have to prepare what? Mathematically problems. In second part, we have find out their solution. This is the third part where we have to prepare mathematically problem and find its solution, both together here. So the find the two number whose sum is the what? Let. Directly you can see let first number what is equal to x. Let second number what? Total sum 27, so minus x whose what? Second number. And product is 182, so directly you can say now, according to the question what saying that you can follow, saying their product, x into 27 minus 27 minus x is equal to what's given? This given 182. So this we can write 182. So multiply this 27x minus x square minus 182 equal to x. So minus taken common, x square minus what? 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Minus transfer in this side. So what's become? X square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. So you have to factorize it. You have to factorize it by splitting the middle term. So how can you split its middle term? 20 plus 7, 140. 19 plus 8. Understood? So 18 into 9. 17 into 9, 10, 270. So how can you solve it? So find out these by using which method? Splitting the middle term. So how can you split its middle term? So middle term splitting is, there are so many methods. We have taken 13, 14 and 13. 182. So this is my method. I can tell you. So look one time. Here minus sign given. Here plus sign is given. So splitting the middle term, splitting into two parts, both coming negative. Both coming negative. Here negative and here also negative. It's meaning one is positive coming and one is negative coming. So how can we write? X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182. Same rule. Check first step. Their sum equal to this, definitely equal. Their product definitely equal to their product. Equal to their product. So what's common? X is common. X minus 14 plus what's minus 13 common? X minus 14 common. Yes or no? Yes. So what you can do now? Which is common? This is common now. Which one is the common? This one is common. So x minus 14 common, then what's left? X minus 13 equal to 0. So x minus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to. So what's the value of x equal to 14 or x equal to 13? So what's the value? If x equal to 13, so this is 13, then this is 14. And if this is 14, this is 13. So two number, which number? 13 and 14 are two number whose product is equal to this. Understood? So which number? 13 and 14. So this is third question of this exercise. Two question of parts. Question number 2, I told you, you have to factorize it. If not able to factorize, I can tell. And remaining portion of this exercise, I can tell you tomorrow. You can do it. Thank you, all of you.